We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yeah! It's almost Christmas time, guys. I happen to have dropped my phone while I was driving, while I was on my bike. Woon woon. Here's the pictures of my phone, the current phone that I have, and they're still in condition because that's how I'm recording right now. But this phone has survived for 3 years and I thought, why not treat myself, you know? So here goes nothing. Dum 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 dum. Trrrr, dum dum. Da 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 da. Ding 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 ding. Da da da. Ding 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 ding. Da da da. Ding 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 ding. Da 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 da. Oh my god, this is the first time ever I'm getting an iPhone that's with the latest trend. You guys wanna see? Oh, you guys wanna see? Oh, hit that subscribe button, but still hit it, okay? As you can see, this is the box. I have not opened it yet since I bought it. I'm gonna open the box together with you guys as you're watching. 3, 2, 1. I got you guys. Alright, let's go. Zoom. Oh wait, is that the lens or is that the camera? Oh wait. Oh man, I'm scared I'm gonna drop it right off. Ooh, look at that. Shout out to my sister Nandu for getting me the phone glass screen, the back cover, the phone case, and the 2 camera lenses. Got the glass stretch right on it for a fact that I'm gonna drop it right off on the first day or something. This is the back. Yep, I got the black color, whatever the name of the black color is. Oh man, look at that. The speaker, microphone, different dots. I think this is the microphone, this is the speaker. You guys can see. And this is part of the camera. Oh no, is it? I thought I'm gonna mess it up. Yeah, this is the phone. 128 GB. Comes with a wire. And we have the AirPods as well. I'm kidding. Along with this, a case as well. This phone, it's so cheap that, you know, I thought I'd get a cover. Otherwise, I'm gonna break it off on the first day or something. I'm very clumsy with my phone anyways. For those of you who knows me personally, you know my history with the phones, and yeah, this is like I'm going all out. We have the phone, we have the wire, we have the case, the camera lens cover. Do you plan to come out, boy? Alright. This is the extra one because I already had one. How do you put it? Oh yeah, there it is. That's for the camera. This is for the phone. Oh, please don't break. Please don't break. Oh wait, I switch on the phone. Ah! Oh man, chaos already. I'll take out this shade in a bit. I still want it to feel new, you know. Look at that. The screen just got turned on and saying hello, I think in different languages. What's next? Now we're on to the language. I'm gonna select English, Anglais, and for region, I'm gonna go with South Africa. I'm kidding, Thailand. So yeah guys, there you have it. My iPhone, my new iPhone 14 Pro Max. Oh man, I hope nothing happens to this phone. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys like my videos, don't forget to send me prayers so I don't break this phone, and subscribe to my channel for some football content, and you never know what I come up with, you know. Ideas pop up here, videos pop up there. Hey, thank you guys for watching. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year in advance, in case I don't make a video. I'm just kidding. Take care guys, and peace.
Christmas drillings make a killing. Got them children crying, now the Santa Claus